So, hello everyone, my name is Balram Chaudhary. I am from Odisha. I have completed my Master of Computer Application from Gandhi Academy of Technology and Engineering, Barampur, which comes under Biju Patnaik University of Technology, Raulkela, Odisha. After completing my education, I joined Jspider, where I underwent Java full stack development training. My experience at Jspider helped me strengthen my programming fundamental and gain practical knowledge of various technology used in software development. So my experience at Jspider was very valuable because it helped me to improve not only my technical skill but also my problem solving abilities, communication skill and confidence. The training environment gave me an opportunity to practice coding and understand concept through hand-on exercise and projects. So I am very happy to have the opportunity to begin my professional career as an associate software engineer trainee. I look forward to learning new technology, working with experienced professional, contributing to the organization and growing in my career. Thank you.